semula akan baikkan lembaga.
Ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society kelas dang ya commission ban kintiau ya kilat yo kam yo jam bat ka yo ka kot jong ki briu legba ka jing pelat ya ka Skillerate Connect Initiative kabla Plie hamadan NSCA paham si mentaka sngi ha ka program ba ar sngi la ya don ringkat da Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi District u arpit upadhyaya kane ka program kade ka jingkular jong ka sarkar lengba ka MSSDS ban penyaso ya ka jaka balat hapdeng ka jing kintiau ya ka sap ka phong lengba ka jing Plie bat ka jing Shampang bat ka jing dawa jong ka yo da ka bale kumta kan pensuk ikinong ya shimbenta ban yo kam haki benta ba pher ka jing thmu jong kane ka sinjam ka long omtang ban ai jing hikai halor ki sap ki phong henry kum juru ban kintiau ya ki boi trekam bathmai bat ka jing sengkam la jong hapdeng ki samna
bentar bentri bentkata kini kita hang ni banira pipi banai ke jam rupiah ki bala banwan ra ya ka kam ke jam ni khamai ke ji na bata ki nong song snong hagani
kirim sampai
So I would just like to highlight today the importance of this program, whereby we have certain people who have got their skill training through various programs arranged by MSSDS, and on the other hand we have our employers also who have come all the way at the invitation of our MSSDS people, and it is a wonderful opportunity for the youth here to try to get a good exposure, try to get jobs if possible, and also we have a platform here where the local artisans, the local entrepreneurs are here. So it gives a very fruitful meeting, gathering of all the stakeholders here.
Hakalimpong Women's Premier League